Your sterilizer experts recommend the MarketForge STEM Autoclave. The MarketForge STEM Autoclave is one of our #1 bestsellers. We have sold them to laboratories, research facilities, waterworks, veterinary practices, hospitals and medical clinics throughout the world. It is a workhorse of a sterilizer. Built like a tank. Always works. It is an extremely reliable sterilizer. The MarketForge STME Sterilmatic Autoclave comes with these standard features. Fast preheat time. Fast exhaust for instruments and glassware. Slow exhaust for liquids. Safety door automatically seals when pressurized. External drainage. Approved by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Reservoir, 4 gallons, 15 liters. Timer range, 1 to 60 minutes. Cycle time, varies based on items to be sterilized, 15 to 45 minutes. Preheat time, 10 minutes from cold start, 4 minutes from warm start. Built-in temperature control provides 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 degrees Celsius. Holds up to 3 trays. Width, 18 3/4 inches. Length: 31 inches. Height, 28 5/8 inches. Shipping dimensions, 21 inches by 32 inches by 37 inches. Optional stand is available. Made in America. For more information about the MarketForge STEM Sterilmatic Autoclave, call 800-880-1934 or visit our website store.sterilizers.com.